Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the specific Google Sheet and click the row number or a cell next to where the new row should appear. Once selected, right-click and choose Insert Row above or below, or use the Insert menu at the top. This places a blank row without altering other content. Make sure to pick the correct row index so formulas that reference ranges shift predictably. Once done, you'll be ready to add data or preserve structure before entering values. Now insert several rows or preserve formulas. Drag to select multiple row headers equal to the number you need, then right-click and insert rows above or below. This ensures surrounding formulas update their references correctly. If you need identical formatting or formulas, copy an existing row and use Paste Special Paste format or paste values only to avoid overriding references. Once inserted, check merged cells and wrap text, because those affect row height. Make sure everything looks consistent before populating. Finish by entering your data and sizing the row heights. Use format options to restore borders and alignment. Once done, inspect dependent formulas and charts to confirm they adapted. If something goes wrong, use undo right away, and if formulas show errors, examine relative versus absolute references. Change A1 to $1 if needed. As a quick fix, use Find and Replace to correct shifted ranges or reapply formulas from a working row.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.